हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये आपका इंग्लिश का है। ये क्वेश्चन आपका पेपर में भी आता है। पहले आप कोड देख लीजिए। BEAGE 182। ये क्वेश्चन आपका बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। ये क्वेश्चन आपके पेपर में भी ज़रूर आता है। क्वेश्चन है आपका ग्रुप डिस्कशन। अब हम बात कर लेते हैं टॉपिक की कि टॉपिक क्या है आपका ग्रुप डिस्कशन का। चाइल्ड केयर इज़ द सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ पेरेंट्स। ये आपका टॉपिक है। ग्रुप डिस्कशन में 5 पीपल्स इन्वॉल्व हैं, जैसे लाइक सुमन। तो सुमन की बात करते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट चाइल्ड केयर इज़ द sole responsibility of the parents. Every living organisms is take care by their parents. You will agree with me that parents transform their children into happy, healthy, and successful human being with love, respect, care. अब हम बात करते हैं निर्मल का ओपिनियन। Friends, in my opinion, child care is the responsibility everyone. The child is a hope for the parents, the country, humanity. So everyone should take care of it. The society people also help like parents to the child. Since childhood growth development on for above a good human being. Teacher also guides the children to achieve the goals in life and make them a successful man or woman. As a scientist, as a writer, etc. Parents are responsible of take care of their children, but they are not only responsible for the child mental and physical development. अब हम बात करें जीत की। गुड आफ्टरनून। आई एग्री विद द व्यू गिवन बाय निर्मल एंड सुमन दैट चाइल्ड केयर इज द ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स. The parents provide food, health, clothing, home, and education. They also give them a safe and carefree childhood. They take them to doctors and hospitals if they are sick and also bear all the expenditure till the child successful and get married. They have given birth to child and so responsible their success as well as failure. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं रेखा की। डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई हैव listened all the views given by you are very logical and justified. I agree that parents do their best to provide the child everything they want to make their children success in every field, but these basic requirements are not enough for child growth and development. They are primary important, but child cannot develop completely. She does not get exposure and interaction with other people as well as children. The teacher also influence children, and it is duty of adult to encourage intellectual development of child. Bala. Good afternoon. I believe that child care is a parent's responsibility. They have given birth to their child and take care of them since birth. They take their responsibility so that he children will look after them. In their old age, everybody is selfish in the world. The children are the future of the parents as well as country. So they take care of all the responsibility, all the children, and see them as they grow in health and wealth. अब फिर से सुमन बोलती है, आई हैव लिसन्ड ऑल द participants' comments on both sides, and I still hold the stand that child care is parents' responsibility. The parents are closest to their children, and so their role most important to make the child a successful person or a assessed for country and humanity. In my opinion, family value and strong bonding with the parents is most important factor is development of child. ये आपका क्वेश्चन पूरा होता है यहाँ पर। यह क्वेश्चन आपका ज़रूर ही पेपर में आता है।